Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Sacred Heart High School. Today we will study chapter 14, Light and the Formation of Shadows, part 3. Formation of Shadows. Let's try an activity. Take an electric torch, flash its light on a wall. Now make your friend stand in between the torch and the wall. What happens? When your friend stands in between the torch and the wall, a dark image is created on that wall. What is that dark image? Let us see. If an opaque object comes in the way of light source, light does not pass through it. Here, your friend who is standing between the wall and the torch is the opaque object. Light does not pass through any opaque objects. As a result, the light does not reach a wall or any other surface on the other side of the object, and that part remains dark. So, this dark part is called as shadow of the object. Let us study more about shadows by doing an activity. Ask your friend to stand at a certain distance from you in a big room and obtain the shadow of your friend on the wall with the help of a torch. Here, the torch is the source of light, your friend acts like an object, and the wall is the screen or the surface on which the shadow will form. Now, carry out the following actions. Observe and make a note of the changes taking place in the shadow. Send your friend closer to the wall. When your friend moves closer to the wall and when you flash the torch on him, you will see a shadow is formed on the wall. The shadow is not too large and it is not too small. It is approximately equal to the size of your friend. Now, ask the friend to come towards you. When your friend will come towards you, you will see a large shadow is formed on the wall. Look at the second picture on screen. Next, you move further away from him and towards him. Now, you move away from your friend. You will see a shadow is formed and it is similar to the shadow which was formed in the first activity. When you move towards your friend, again you will see a shadow is formed and this time the shadow is large, similar to the shadow which was formed when the friend had come towards you. Now, hold the torch high and then low. Take a torch and hold it over the head of your friend. You will see a shadow is formed at the feet of your friend. And when the torch is held below, then a huge shadow is seen. Now go towards the left side of your friend and hold the torch. You will see that a shadow is formed on the right side. Now you go towards the right side of your friend and hold the torch. You will see that a shadow is formed on the left side. The shadow of an object is formed only when light does not pass through the object. The kind of shadow it forms depends upon the relative distance between the source of light, the object, and the surface or the screen on which the shadow is formed. The shadow of an object formed due to sunlight is long in the mornings and evenings and short in the afternoon. We can easily note these changes if we observe the trees along the roadside. This change in the shadow depends on the source of light, the object, and also on the surface on which the shadow is formed. Let us do some activities. Take a glass, water, a large white sheet of paper. Place a glass filled with water on a sheet of paper in the window so that it receives direct sunlight. After doing this, you will observe a faint shadow along with a rainbow. Next, you need soap water and a small loop of wire. If you dip the wire loop in the soap water and then blow on it, soap bubbles are formed. The beautiful colors of the rainbow are seen in these soap bubbles. When you hold a CD in the sun, you will see rainbow is formed on the CD. What do we conclude from this? We can say that the sunlight contains 7 colors. And how can we prove that? Let's see. The British scientist Sir Isaac Newton made a special disc. One side of the disc was divided equally into 7 parts of the 7 colors of the rainbow, and they are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The disc was fitted on a stand and rotated fast. As the disc rotated, the 7 colors disappeared and only white was seen. This proved that sunlight is made of 7 colors. That is why the disc is known as Newton's disc. From this we come to know that white sunlight contains 7 colors. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.